it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make paint your own cookies at home. The version I'm going to be showing you today is made with stencils, so if you don't own a stencil, you might want to click on my other tutorial where I did it with just piping icing, and I will put that up right in the right hand corner. I let my flooded cookie dry overnight so that I could really swipe on this icing without worrying about denting anything. Then you're going to take this fairly thick piping icing and you're going to just swipe it on top of your stencil genie. Now you don't necessarily have to have a stencil genie in order to do this, you just need a stencil, but having that stencil genie allows you to keep everything in place. Movement of any kind could cause your stencil to kind of smudge your drawing, so it's really important that you have something that can hold it down. You don't have to airbrush these sprinkles on like I'm doing, I'm just doing this to give it a little bit of extra flair. Side note, whenever you're lifting your stencils off, make sure that you do it straight up and down, don't slide it or else you're going to have a little bit of smudging. There are several different ways to create your palette for painting, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm just piping some icing down and then I'm going to color it with some edible food gel and a little bit of vodka. And then for expediency's sake, I'm going to stick it in the oven at 175 degrees Fahrenheit so that that vodka just evaporates really quickly and my daughter can get to painting this right away. My apologies here for this foggy filming, I'm just adding a few dots for some added detail. A lot of cake stores sell these where you can buy a bunch of mini paintbrushes specifically for paint your own cookies. These are a great activity to just do at home with your kids, or I think they would be awesome if you kind of put them together and made some party favors as well, or it could be the actual party activity at a birthday party. Setting up your paint station is really easy. All you need to do is grab a little cup of water, take your paintbrush, dip it into the water, dip it into the edible paint palette, and then go ahead and start painting just like you would with regular paint. This activity is great for ages 2 and up. It's a really fun way to paint without having to have a lot of mess. And a huge bonus that everything is edible. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also make sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you. Also make sure to follow me on social media if you aren't already. Bye!